Well, if this is your first time to our channel, welcome. Great to have you. It is Rufi Alday, reporting from Clovis, California, and we have the honor for over 20 years educating the public who are coming from the Bay Area or LA, or if you're an allied health professional, where we see a prominent migration of physical therapists, athletic trainers, physicians, nurses that are coming from the Bay Area or LA or out of state into Clovis. Do stay tuned to the end and you'll see why we're unique. And quickly, we are not here to sell you anything, list or buy. We've taken pride for over 20 years to educate the consumer. Why? Our team is quite unique. We do have a medical background. We have a teammate that had covered the 96 Olympics and 2000. So we approach real estate more on an investment standpoint, a multi-generational standpoint, and taken pride with long-term relationships to a point that we've been able to relocate and buy, sell properties for children of families and now great-grandchildren here in the city of Clovis, California. So with that in mind, stay tuned to the end. Do we have an incredible property? If over 4 bedrooms plus a bonus room is important, a pool, solar owned, an updated, remodeled owner suite and owner's bathroom, plus an updated owner's kitchen. Stay tuned to the end because this property that we get to showcase today, please welcome 997 Pistachio Avenue, a rare home under 600,000 especially. You got to see this. Do not. So we have tile roof, and you've noticed how clean it is. We've actually had the roof cleaned as well. So come on into this beautiful courtyard area, quite serene. And literally across the park, right? Quite serene, and just a peaceful alcove. This area is lit actually at night, just gorgeous. I'll just take a peek. You'll notice into the entryway, clean. Just off to the side, actually, this is the bonus room. So post-COVID especially, extremely valuable. You can make this into an office, a bonus room, piano room, game room for the kids. You'll notice on entry, we've got laminate flooring, luxury laminate flooring throughout. Beautiful soaring cathedral ceilings. Gas. And then we'll head on to the hall. And we got 4 bedrooms, so we'll start with the owner's suite, shall we? So let's head on out. Again, laminate flooring throughout. And rare, we actually have a dedicated laundry facility tiled with a sink inside the laundry facility. Multiple storage rooms there and behind this door. Oh, excuse me. Behind this door, up into the cabinets. We're going to include the washer and dryer, and then take a look at this gorgeous owner's suite, updated, remodeled, beautifully appointed. A bit of luxury here in Clovis. We're going to include also the mounted TV, barnyard door into the owner's suite, as well as to the owner's bathroom. Dual sink, you'll notice. Soaking, soothing tub. Updated shower. Separate commode area. And a walk-in closet. Beautifully appointed. Now as we head down to the hallway, nice and bright. So that's bedroom number 1, the owner's bedroom. Here's the second. We have carpeted, updated pads. That's number 2. Another well-appointed, well-decorated 3rd bedroom. And as we go into the end of the hall, here's your 4th. Carpeted, beautiful, spacious. An updated bath, hallway, dual sink, shower, commode area, updated fixtures. And then we'll head over to the living area, cathedral ceilings, as I mentioned. Now we'll take a look at the kitchen area. Beautiful laminate flooring. Look how spacious the kitchen is. They've removed all those older cabinets that open up the kitchen area. Granite countertops. We're going to include the refrigerator, gas stove, and hopefully I don't get you dizzy here. We're going to pivot and give you a little panoramic view. This is your view from the kitchen, and that's the outside. It's just gorgeous. Pool area, so let me walk you through that area as well. And so as we walk, take a look at this sparkling pool. We've just had the pool cleaned, all the tiles cleaned. So for our future family, it is ready to go. Gorgeous. Pergola will stay as well, covered for those hot summer nights here in the city of Clovis. Beautiful. Clean, turnkey, it's ready to move in. So 997 Pistachio Avenue, be sure it is on your list to preview. It is over 4 bedrooms. That's what it's we mentioned, including a bonus room. Doesn't include the dog. And a 4-bedroom plus that bonus room. So if you're looking to relocate as a professional allied health, doctor, physician, athletic trainer, physical therapist, or nurse, or you're looking into update, upgrade, and move up into a bigger home, maybe even to accommodate a senior family member, like a multi-generational feature, this home has it because it is 4-bedroom plus that bonus. Also for energy efficient features that we mentioned, we do have solar owned plus a pool. And last but not least, we have already completed all the termite home, sewer lateral, and roof inspection for your convenience. So 997 Pistachio Avenue, be sure to take a look at it because this home will not last. It's under $600,000. God bless.